Okay, you guys, I am doing my first load of laundry of towels in my very first washing machine I've ever bought. Okay, I just bought my mother-in-law a brand new washing machine. Isn't that disgusting?
Right.
Yeah, so we got a nice new one. We're gonna have clean clothes. Wouldn't that be nice? This was hers. Destroyed. Per usual. Literally rats inside. Like, there were mice in her washing machine. Disgusting. Brand new, never been used. Same one. Same one.
Actually, it's slightly newer.
It's new. We got it on offer up, but it's brand new. $550
Delivered.
This is my first washing machine I've ever bought. I'm so excited. My mother-in-law thinks I bought it for her. She thinks we bought everything for her. We're buying it for us and Annette. She just can use it as well. Everyone, I just bought this. Just bought this today on offer up. It's brand new, but of course we paid used price. We got it for $550 delivered. A gentleman brought it for us. Here's the old one. Look at this. This is Gloria. See, this is what we deal with. Do you want to see the inside of this? As if it's not gross enough over here. But this is what you need to see. Mice. She had mice in here. She had mice, and that is like droppings and stuff from the mice. There were dead mice in here.